How to update Samsung phone to One UI 8.0 on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. After click on software update, click on download and install. After click on download and install, if you want to update Samsung phone, here showing you restart now. After click on restart now, you will see after restarting your phone is update. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can update Samsung phone to One UI 8.0 on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.